Howdy there, folks. The Collector 6819 coming back at you with part 2 of our 4-part break of 2014-15 Panini Hoops basketball. Let's get started. This break will have 6 packs in it, so if you haven't seen part 1, go back and check that out. Got a couple really cool things. Greg Monroe, Jabari Parker. Pretty cool. Faces of the Future. We've got T.J. Warren, rookie. Okay, we've got Dominique Wilkins, Larry Bird matchups card. Joe Johnson, numbered out of 399. We then got a Jrue Holiday, little shiny card. Al Horford, Jeremy Evans, Alexei Shavid, Draymond Green, Paul George, and Jordy Meeks. Okay, let's move on to pack number 2. We've got Jason Thompson, numbered to 2014, road to the finals, Stephen Curry. We have Spencer Dinwiddie, rookie. A Cleanthony Early, rookie. We have a Picture Perfect LaMarcus Aldridge. A Gerald Green, X Factor looking card. Tony Roten. DJ Augustine. Marco Benelli. Spencer Hawes, Chandler Parsons, George Hill. Gerald Wallace, Chris Paul, courtside. We have a Yusuf Nurkic, rookie. A Trading Faces, Robert Ory, Cedric Sabalas. High Irons, Magic Johnson. A Mario Chalmers, little sparkly card. Dwight Howard, Gerald Henderson, Chase Budinger, Paul Gasol, Mike Miller, and Dirk Nowitzki. About halfway through this break so far. We've got Rudy Gay, Avery Bradley, a Rodney Hood, rookie, Tyler Enos, rookie, Class Action, Baron Davis, Kobe, Thaddeus Young, Kawhi Leonard, Jared Sullinger, Chris Anderson, C.J. Watson, Shane Williams. 2 more packs for this particular break. Okay. I'm going to save that one. That one. Okay. We've got Tyler Zeller, Michael Kidd-Gilchrist, Marcus Smart, rookie, Nick Johnson, rookie, Shining Stars, Blake Griffin, Timofey Mozgov, Anthony Bennett, J.J. Barrera, Iman Shumpert, James Anderson, Amir Asik, and Henry Sims. And our last pack for this break we have Rajon Rondo, numbered at a 2014, Road to the Finals, Jeff Teague. We have Nick Strakis, rookie, Rodney Hood, rookie, a Joakim Noah, picture perfect, Zach Randolph, sparkly, Dion Waiters, Russell Westbrook, Manu Ginobili, David West, Matt Barnes, and Jeremy Lin. So that does it for part 2 of our 4-part break of 2014-15 Panini Hoops. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in part 3.